Welcome to the DesignaKnit 9 video learning series. In this tutorial, we'll be going into standard garment styling section of the program. I have a sweater that fits me absolutely perfect. I've had it for years. I would like to have that exact shape in DesignaKnit so that I can design new sweaters that will also fit me exactly perfectly. Why mess with success? So let's put that in. I did do the measurements in centimeters. I'm checking up here and it says centimeters. If it didn't say that, I would say cancel and I would go up under options, units of measurement, and switch it to centimeters so that I could put these measurements in. So this is my sweater. I laid this out on my dining room table, nice and flat. I took a measuring tape in centimeters because I like to measure in centimeters, and I measured it out and drew a little pattern. And you can see I have all my measurements here ready to go. And we would like to put this into DesignaKnit so that we can use this. So let's go there now. So what we want to do is we want to say File, New, Adult, Female. It is a sweater. It has straight sleeves and a round neckline. Okay. And I'm just going to say I'm going to use my knitting machine. And for my tensions, I'm going to say most of the time 32 stitches, 40 rows per 10 centimeters. Let's do the same thing for the ribbing. And let's put a comment in here from my favorite sweater. Okay. This time I'm going to use 0 ease. And the reason I'm doing this is because this was a sweater that already has the ease in it. I don't need to add more ease in DesignaKnit. So it's built in. Okay. I'm going to pick a standard size, and the sweater measurement across the front on the bottom is 58 centimeters, plus the measurement on the back, so 58 times 2 is 116. So I'm going to pick this chest measurement, which is the closest, and then I'm going to make adjustments here to fit my sweater. So it was actually 116, and my waist is also 116. My shoulder to shoulder is that front width, which is half, which is the 58 centimeters. My nape to garment length is 63 centimeters long, plus another 5 centimeters of ribbing, so that comes to 68 centimeters. My arm length is 68.5 that I measured, plus I'm going to have another 5 centimeters added to that for the ribbing. So that is 68.5 plus 5 is 73.5. My upper arm that I measured is 32.8 centimeters in the front, plus another 32.8 centimeters in the back, comes to 65.6 centimeters. My wrist, same thing, 13.3 that I measured, plus the back comes to 26.6. Okay. And I have a sweater that's going to fit me perfectly. And I can make a few additional changes to match the sweater that I have. The neck that we measured was 20 centimeters across for the width. Let's put that in. The neck depth is 10 centimeters. See how this is changing? And the neck band was 2.5 centimeters. Look at this. And even though I measured this, I'm going to up it a little bit to 3 because I like that. Now, this is not going to change the neck depth at all. What it's done is it's just adjusting this. So I have a sweater right now that we put in that matches the sweater that I have that I've worn for years. And now I'm going to save this here, save. And I'm going to give this a name, sweater for the family. And I'm going to call this favorite old sweater. And I can take a new stitch pattern and knit a very accurate tension swatch. All I have to do is go in here, options and tensions, put in my new tension and print out my instructions, and I'm ready to go. Perfect. Thank you.